जोहार झारखंड। आज 11 जनवरी 2023। आज फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी पार्ट 7 में द साउथर्न स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया के बारे में, जिसमें आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, कर्नाटक, केरला, तमिलनाडु और गोवा और यूनियन टेरिटरी पुडुचेरी, लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड, अंडमान निकोबार द्वीप के बारे में फिजिकल जानकारी जानेंगे। वहाँ का वेजिटेशन क्या है, वहाँ का प्लांटेशन क्या है, वहाँ का रिवर्स क्या फ्लो करते हैं, इम्पोर्टेंट सिटीज़ क्या हैं और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के बारे में जानेंगे। तो मैंने फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी पार्ट 1 से पार्ट 7 तक में पूरे भारत के बारे में मैंने बता दिया। इसमें भारत के मेन जो विशेषताएं हैं फिजिकल रूप में, वो आप नोट्स के रूप में आपके पास उपलब्ध है। तो आप प्रीवियस मेरा नोट्स जो है, जो पार्ट 1 से 6 तक है, उसको अगर अध्ययन करेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि पूरी तरह से भारत हमारा कितना डिवर्साइड है, कितना डाइवर्सिटी है और यूनिटी इंटीग्रिटी है। द साउथर्न स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया इंक्लूड आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, कर्नाटक, केरला, तमिलनाडु and Goa, and the Union Territories of Puducherry, Lakshadweep Island, and Andaman Nicobar Island. Telandana lies in the Dattan Plateau, as do large part of Karnataka. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, some part of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and most of Goa, Kerala, Puducherry lie on the coastal plains. Andhra Pradesh lies along the southeastern coast of India. The neighboring states of Andhra Pradesh are Telandana, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. The Bay of Bengal forms its eastern boundary. Hyderabad is the current capital of Andhra Pradesh. A new capital city called Amravati is coming up on the banks of the river Krishna. Other major cities of these states are Vijayawada, विशाखापट्टनम, इसे विचाद भी कहते हैं, गंटूर, तिरुपति, काकीनाडा and Nellore. The flat and fertile eastern coastal plain extends along eastern Andhra Pradesh. The eastern Ghat lies to the west of the coastal plains, and beyond that lies the Dattan Plateau. Krishna, Godavari, and Pennaru are the major rivers flowing through these states. Swamps and palm trees are found in the coastal plain of Andhra Pradesh. Thorny bushes are common in the plateau region. The eastern Ghats are covered with dense forests of teak, rosewood, wild fruit trees, and bamboo. Neem, mango, banyan, and people are also found. Andhra Pradesh is one of the largest producers of rice, red chilies, and tobacco. Other crops grown are jowar, bajra, maize, radi, small millets, pulses, castor, cotton, and sugarcane. Telangana. The state of Telangana was derived out of Andhra Pradesh in 2nd June 2014. Telandana lies in the south-central part of India. Its neighboring states are Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Other major cities include Warangal, Karimnagar, and Khammam. Telandana is located on the Dhattan Plateau. The northern parts of the is known as the Telandana Plateau and the southern part is the Doltunda Plateau. The rest of the state consists of hill, mountain range and forest. Godavari and Krishna are the two major rivers flowing through Telangana. Thorny vegetation are found in the plateau, while forests cover much of the region in the northeast. Along the Godavari River, neem, banyan, mango, and people are also some of the commonly found trees. The main crops grown in Telandana are rice, cotton, jowar, bajra, radi, mango, and tobacco. Hyderabad is a beautiful mixture of the old and the new. Monuments like Charminar and Golconda Fort are found here, as are officials of the top IT company in the world. Kerala, the state of Kerala lies in the southwestern part of the Indian peninsula. The neighbors of Kerala are Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The Arabian Sea and the Lakshadweep island lies to its west. Owing to its natural beauty, Kerala is known as God's own country. Thiruvananthapuram Trivandrum is the capital of Kerala. Other important cities are Kochi, Talitar, Totium, and Munnar. The splendid bathwaters, beaches, temples, places, and wildlife sanctuaries like the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary attract a large number of tourists to the state. The landforms of this state mainly consist of coastal plains and hills. Its two major physical regions are the Malabar Coast and Western Ghat. The Annamalai Hills and Tarodom Hills are the two chief mountain ranges in Kerala. The major rivers flowing through the states are Periyar, Pamba, and Bharatpuzha. Kerala is first place that receive rain from the southwest monsoon winds in India. The vegetation of Kerala includes dense forests that grow naturally on the slopes of the western Ghat due to heavy rains. Rosewood and teak are the two important trees. Rice and coconut are grown in fertile soil of Malabar coast. Kerala is the leading producer of coconut in India. A large number of plantation crops like rubber, coffee, tea, cashew, cardamom, and pepper are grown on the hill slopes. Kerala is the leading producer of rubber in India. The Kerala bathwaters are a system of interconnected lakes, rivers, and canals lying parallel to the Arabian Sea. The water is slightly salty. There are 15 wildlife sanctuaries, 6 national parks, and 2 biosphere reserves in Kerala. The Silent Valley National Park has one of the last untouched portions of evergreen rainforest in India. Tamil Nadu lies in the southwestern part of India. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Kerala are the Tamil Nadu. The Bay of Bengal lies to its east. Tamil Nadu is separated from Sri Lanka by the Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Other major cities of this state are Coimbatore, Madurai, Rameswaram, Kachipuram, Ooty, and Vellore. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of mainland India lies in this state. The main physical regions of Tamil Nadu are the Coromandel coast is flat, fertile plain. The western Ghats run along the western border of the state, separating it from Kerala. The major rivers flowing through these states are Kaveri, Pallad, and Badai. Dense forests are found on the slopes of the western Ghats. Trees like teak, ebony, and rosewood grow in this forest. The eastern Ghats are rocky and support mostly thorny bushes. Rice is the staple cereal. It is grown in the fertile coastal plain and the river valleys. The Kaveri Delta region is one of the most important rice producing areas in the state. Coconut trees are also grown along the coast. Mango and banana are the main fruits grown. In the drier parts, cereals like jowar, maize, radi, and bajra are grown. Cash crops like sugarcane, cotton, and tobacco are also grown. Tea, coffee, and rubber are grown on plantations on the slopes of the hill. Coffee is an important crop grown on the slope of the Nilgiri Hills. Karnataka lies in the southwestern coast of India. Its neighboring states are Maharashtra, Telandana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala, and Goa. The Arabian Sea lies to its west. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Other important cities are Mysore, Hubli, Mangalore, and Dharwad. Karnataka has three major physical regions: the coastal plains, the western Ghats, the Deccan Plateau. Krishna and Kaveri are two important rivers that flow through this state. The trees commonly found in these states are rosewood, mahogany, teak, sandalwood, bamboo, and coconut palms. Shrubs and shrublands are found in the drier parts of the state. The crops grown in Karnataka are rice, radi, jowar, maize, and pulses. Rice and coconut are cultivated over the coastal plain. The state is also leading producer of coffee. Karnataka leads in the production of sandalwood products such as oil, perfume, and soap. Other crops grown are include cardamom, chilies, tobacco, and areca nuts. Goa, one of the smallest states in India, Goa is located on the western coast of India. Its neighboring states are Maharashtra, Karnataka. It is bounded by the Arabian Sea on the west. Panjim is the capital of Goa. Other major cities are Vasco da Gama, Mardo, and Mapusa. Also mainly a coastal region, the western Ghat stretch along the eastern edge of Goa. Madhvi and Juari are the main rivers flowing through Goa. Sal, teeth, chesu, and bamboo trees are commonly found in Goa. Rice is the chief crop grown in Goa. Other important crops are radi, maize, jowar, bajra, and pulses, coconut, chesu nuts, and areca nut. Fruit such as mango, jackfruit, banana, and pineapple are also grown in this state. Palom Beach, South Goa. The beaches of Goa are famous all over the world for their beauty. The famous Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama discovered the direct sea route between Europe and India in 1498. The first place he landed in India was Talitat, Kerala. Puducherry. The Union Territory of Puducherry lies in the southern part of peninsular India. It consists of four districts spread across South India: Puducherry, Taratal, Mahe, and Yanam. Puducherry district and Taratal districts are surrounded by Tamil Nadu. Yaman district by Andhra Pradesh, and Mahe district by Kerala. Puducherry is the capital of Union Territory of Puducherry. The other major port of city is Raital. All four districts of this city lie on the coastal plain. The major rivers that flow through this region are Pennar, Mahe, and Denji. The commonly found trees in this region are Chesu arena and eucalyptus. The major crops grown in this region are rice, sugarcane, cotton, and peanuts. Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep, with an area of just 32 square kilometers, is the smallest union territory of India. It is a group of around 36 small islands in the Arabian Sea, around 300 kilometers off the coast of Kerala. Lakshadweep consists of three main groups of islands: the Amindivi Island in the north, Lakshadweep Island in the center, and the Minutoi Island in the south. Tavariti is the capital of Lakshadweep. Other important islands are the Amini, Kalpiani, and Andro, Minote, and Aditi. Lakshadweep Islands are coral islands. Coral islands are built from the skeletal remains of tiny marine organisms. They form over millions of years. The islands are flat and low-lying, with no hills or mountains. There are no rivers in Lakshadweep Island. These islands do not have forests. Coconut trees grown on the most of the island of Lakshadweep. Sea grasses and seaweeds grow near the coast. In Lakshadweep, the cultivation of crops is difficult as the land is rocky. Crops like radi, yam, pulses, and vegetables are grown on the small patches of land. Rice comes from the of India. The people of Lakshadweep Island grow mainly coconut trees. Every part of the tree is used. The husk of the coconut is used to make wire products like rope and mats. The dried kernel of the nuts is thrust to extract coconut oil. Scientists say that the Lakshadweep ridges might be a continuation of Aravalli ranges that runs through Rajasthan. The island might then be an underwater extension of that chain. Andaman and Nicobar Island. The Andaman and Nicobar Island lies in the Bay of Bengal. The Andaman and Nicobar Island consist of two groups of islands, the Andaman and Nicobar. They are separated by a stretch of deep water called the 10-degree channel. The 10-degree channels. The Indira Point, the southernmost point of India, is located at the tip of the Great Nicobar Island. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Other important islands are Havelock Island Neil Island, and Ross Island. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are hilly with a small stream flowing down their slopes. The hills are covered with dense equatorial forest. Two volcanoes are located on the island, Narthondam and Stint volcano, and Baden Island and active volcano. Major rivers flowing through these regions are Talpond and Amritsar. Most part of the Andaman Island Most part of the Andaman and Nicobar Island are covered with dense tropical forest and mangrove swamps. Redwood is the tree commonly found here. Some of the major crop grown here are the rice, coconut, betel, fruits, and spices. Rubber, wild palm, and chesu are also grown. तो ये मेरा फिजिकल इंडिया का जो सीरीज है पार्ट 7 यहीं पर समाप्त होता है। थैंक यू।